Good day, guys. Good day. Welcome back. Welcome back once again. I hope you guys are good and having a lovely Wednesday so far. Now we are back at this again, giving market daily updates as to what is happening for the specific pairs that we check on this week. So yeah, yesterday we had a chat about this. So we spoke about like three pairs. In this case, it was like a Audcad. We also spoke about Nzdjpy as well as Nzdchf. So additional pair for today will be Cadchf. So this will be the additional pair that we're gonna be checking for today. So yeah, before we start on this one, I wanna take this moment to thank you all for watching our videos, and I wanna plead with you guys that please follow our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we upload these videos. So yeah, without wasting any more time in this one. So what has happened here, if you remember correctly, yesterday what we were checking like this movement here and along with this correction. So on this correction, yesterday we did mention that we were here, the market gave us a new lower low. So the price was here yesterday when we spoke about this. So we're expecting the market to either come here on this trend line to give us a new point, which is D, and come back down here to give us a new lower low point, which is E, before it continues up. So that is exactly what has happened here. So the market came down here to give us a new low. If you check clearly, let me do this so that you can see. So this level here, it is slightly lower than this one here. So it gave us a new lower low level. So we're expecting now the market that from here it should go back up. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be checking on this one. So we have a trade that is open on this one currently. Yeah, so we're just gonna be holding that position and checking what will happen here. So moving on to the next one that we spoke about like yesterday, it was Nzdjpy. So yeah, on this one, so I left everything as it was yesterday so that we can talk about exactly what has happened. So here yesterday, we spoke about like, okay, this long movement that we're checking that has a clear higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, on this one, we're checking like this correction here up to this point. So yesterday, when we spoke about this one, the market was somewhere around here. It was somewhere around here. So we're expecting it to come here, either break, retest and go up, or reject here, come back and give us a new low before it goes up. So, but then instead what happened, it came down to this point here, it went up and there was a long move, as you can see. There was a long move down, so that it went completely against us, and we had a trade that was open here. So basically it hit our stop loss because it had triggered the entry for this position. So as we all know, like this is the game forex. So you win some, you lose some. There are a lot of factors that are affecting the market. So in this case, if you check the calendar, you'll notice that we had a interest rate on NZD. So which is why we had like this long spike movement here. So yeah, this was based on the interest rate that came around 3 a.m. today. So yeah, that is it on this one. We lost this trade here, so we're just going to keep an eye on this one just to see if we can get an opportunity from this movement going up. So yeah, that is it on this pair. So moving on to the next one that we spoke about yesterday, it was Nzdchf. So on this one, I also left everything as it was yesterday. So we spoke about like this movement here, and we had like expanding triangle on as our correction here. So on this one, more or less the same as the one that we just spoke about. It is the NZD. So as you can see, we had a trade that was open and it hit our stop loss because of this long movement that went down. And this was due to the interest rate that came about 3 a.m. this morning. So yeah, it kicked us out. So the same as the one I just spoke about, the Nzdjpy, we're just going to be keeping an eye on this one as to see what we will get out of this one. So there's a possibility that the market might come back and continue down, or from here it can continue up, come and retest and go back. As you can see, there's some zone here. So yeah, that is it on this one. We're just gonna be keeping an eye on this one. Hopefully we can get something out of it, so that we can recover our stop losses that were hit. So yeah, for the last pair for today, there's an additional pair that we're gonna be speaking about for today. So on this one here, what we have at the moment, it is we have this long pulsive movement here at layer 1, as you can see. And from here, we have a correction that has been formed. So on this correction here, we have our point A, B. Can consider this as the SC, I meant to say, then DE. So the market at the moment is this one. It gave us a new lower low level here, which is a level before, like after the previous one. So what will happen here? What we're expecting, there's a probability that the market will go up, might come back to retest the bid and continue up, come back to retest the trend line before it continues up. So yeah, that is it. That's what we are expecting, or we are anticipating on this pair here. So we're just going to be keeping a close eye on this one. But at the moment, we have our buy stop ready to be triggered here. So yeah, that is it on this one. So yeah, we're just going to be keeping an eye. So this is was for today's session. We're just going to give an update for what has happened yesterday, and also talk about this new one for today. So we're going to be doing the same thing for tomorrow, giving an update about what we spoke about today, and giving an update like on new additional pair for tomorrow. So that is it from me, guys. I hope you guys are good and enjoy these videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload these videos. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. Have a lovely Wednesday. See you tomorrow.